Hello everybody. Today we are going to study the writing process. Especially there are 7 steps to completing the writing process. For example, story writing. Let's see that particular process. This is a mind map and a flow chart. So in the process of writing, there is this planning, drafting, sharing, evaluating, revising, editing and publishing. These are the 7 steps that you need to know for writing a story. Planning. In planning to write a story, the main idea is to talk about the characters, the setting, the plot, the rising and falling actions, along with the climax and conclusion to the story. This is the planning process. Next, we have drafting. Here, the writer starts to put the story together. First, naturally, it will be a rough draft. And while drafting the story, the focus is to put ideas on the paper. And okay, there will be a few grammar and spelling mistakes, but just leave it just like that. Just keep drafting your story. Next, we have sharing. Now, once you write, it is always important for you to share the story with a very close friend of yours. You are not expected to share this with everybody. Share it with a very close friend and try to get a feedback, because they would have heard this story for the first time and naturally they will have a lot of comments about it. Once you get all the comments, then you can start work on your second draft. This second draft will be more easier to write because you already have the first draft with you, and all you need to do is add these recommendations. Next is the evaluation process. Here you are to evaluate your own writing as to how the process of this story is coming together. It's like a jigsaw puzzle. You are now about 25 to 30% of your jigsaw puzzle. Then comes the revising stage. Here you are going to improve the fluency of your writing. If you feel that your writing is not fluent enough, maybe you may have to add certain flowery words, or maybe add some academic or creative words in certain places. Once you do that, the ideas and the descriptions come together so that the reader can easily have a better picture of the story. Then comes the editing part. Here, you make sure that there is no grammar or spelling mistake, so that the reader will be able to enjoy the story. So you must make it foolproof. There should be no spelling mistake, and also the grammar should be perfect. Next is the publishing stage. Here, once you are confident enough, it is time for you to publish your story so that others can enjoy your story. Thank you, and now you can start your journey in writing a story. Please do subscribe for more like this.